In this video, we will show you how to add an admin to a LinkedIn page. To add an admin to a LinkedIn page, it's very easy. First, you must already have the network with the person that you want to invite as an admin on your company page. For example, this is our company, We Are Data, and in here, I want to invite these people. Okay, and I already have connection with this one. And if you don't connect with the people that you want to invite as admin, you can just find the person via this search bar. For example, you can find the person and you can make connect with this, and after this person is accept your connect, you can find your company, and you can see here this is the super admin view because I already administrator in here. And then you can select admin tools to begin to add the person as an admin. You can click manage admins, and we can click add admins and type the member to person like this, and you can select this person into super admin, content admin, analysis, or etc. For example, we just click content admin and click save. Then in here, we successfully add the person to admin as content admin in here. Okay, remember you must already connected with the person that you want to make as admin. If done, you can find the person via here. So you must connect the first with the person. Hope this video helpful for you.